So, all right, guys. The first, like I said, our tutorial, our course for today, creating a simple video animation. It will be divided into three parts. So the first part is how to generate text to speech. Now, there's a way you can write out something, and instead of using your normal voice, you convert an AI voice. You convert your text to be read out by an AI voice. In editing, we have different ways of adding audio. Either you use voiceover. Now, using voiceover is just like you are recording live. You are doing a live recording while editing. Then number two, we have uploading, by uploading an audio that you already have on your phone. So to upload, the audio need to be on your phone already. Then we have text to speech. This text to speech, it's AI generated. You just have to write an AI will convert it to speech. Now for that, um, like I said before, we have different app for some of all these editing, and we also have websites for them. So I prefer using websites for the ones that are available on websites, so I don't have to download apps and fill up my phone storage. So for this, let's go to Google Chrome, sorry. Then we'll be using a site called play sorry let me type it play.ht. You see it here, play.ht. Now the site we'll be using. Now you see this interface, it is very easy to use. Now this site, you can use this site for a lot of things. You see, voice your conversational AI.
Thanks for calling Play HT. How can I help you today?
Hey, yeah. Now using this one is like maybe you're having a conversation, you are doing a video animation that has to do with conversations. You can use this first part here. You can use this first one, voice your video to create voice audio
lovely
for your
bakers,
video.
welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today we're diving into something seriously.
Then narrate your stories. I'm just showing you all the things that you can do on this site. Narrate your stories for those that are into storytelling, that want to use their video and animation for storytelling.
Once upon a time,
You can
in
also
a magical
use this
forest,
website.
there lived a little fairy
Then
named Rosie.
you can give your characters
Do
different
not mistake
voice.
my silence for lack of grief.
You can
I
give
was working on my television show.
different characters in your video. You can give them different voice. Then the sweetest part of this is that you can clone a voice. Now you'll see these some videos that you see somebody talking. Let's say I want to animate Tinubu voice. Now after using Tinubu, a character and naming him Tinubu, I want him to talk like Tinubu. I'll clone his voice. I'll clone that Tinubu's voice, then edit it in a way that I'll just have to write something and the AI will speak. And when the AI is speaking, it will sound exactly like Tinubu. You can also do that with this site. All those ones we'll touch on it later, but for now, let's just go to what we came for. So on your own, you can just scroll through the site and try to understand different stuff in it. Now, if you are coming to this site for the first time, you might be asked to sign up. You might be asked to sign up. So it's good you sign up so that all your work can be saved. Now, let's move. You see, generate AI voice for free. Generate AI voice for free. You click here and you select go to studio. Now it's loading. Now I don't this is just a test. the tutorial, so I'll just do something short. Now it has opened. It has opened. You see this part here where you have name, Sarah. That is the character you want to use. You can choose different voice. You see where you have 1.0x, the speed, how fast you want it to talk. You see where you have type here. That's where you write out what you want and it will type it out. So now sample scripts, you don't need to go to sample script because you already know what you want to do. This sample script, everything you have here is just like you want to check out what they have, but you come in, you already know what you want to write, so you don't need to go there. So let's write. Let me just copy paste something from my clipboard. Okay, let's use this. Now this is what we have. I've typed this. This is Sarah. Now we have different voices here. This is Williams. It is loading.
Hey, I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptop stand you ordered last week.
This is Oliver.
We've just,
All right, so teaching subtraction
This
to
is
a kid.
Nolan.
All right, so
We
teaching
have a lot
subtraction
of
to a
voices
kid,
that you can select from,
can actually be like pretty fun and engaging.
but we are using
You
Sarah,
could
so
maybe start
if you
with,
test
I
it
don't know,
with
maybe
Sarah,
visual
Once
aids,
upon a time,
like
this
in a
is
how to
Sarah's
magical
voice.
forest,
pictures
there
to,
lived a little
help
fairy
them kind of
So
get the
let's say I
whole
want to
concept and
use
Rosie
take
had
it away.
shiny
And
Williams.
eyes
you
that
could totally
sparkled
use
like
real
the
life
stars in
examples
the
I'll
sky.
tap
and
on
scenarios
William.
they can
from
relate to.
Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptops.
Now after tapping on Williams that I want, I click on confirm. Now it is on Williams. Let's test it out. It is loading. Now it has finished loading.
If you're a CEO, take note of this.
This is how William will sound. This is how William will sound. So if you select any other voice, it will also sound differently. So you can as well add different, you can write out a lot of things. Now, if you want to save, let's say, two different voices, you don't want to delay time. Maybe you're having a conversation, your video is something that has to do with conversation. Now, click on this paragraph. You see this sign here. See what they write here. Press enter. Press enter to create a new paragraph. You know where the enter is on your keyboard. This sign on your keyboard. You click on it. You look for this sign on your keyboard where you used to enter a new paragraph on your keyboard. This sign here. So when you click on it, it will create a new paragraph. Now, this is a new paragraph. This new paragraph, you can give it a different voice. For instance, this first one says, if you are a CEO, take note of this. Now, I want to reply, yes, I am a CEO. Thanks for the information. Thanks for the information. Now, let's give it another voice. Let's say we want to use a different voice for this. Let's use a female voice this time.
All right, so teaching subtraction to a kid, can actually be like pretty fun and engaging.
Now, let's test it out. So it has finished loading.
Yes, I am a CEO. Thanks for the information.
Now, we are done with this. Now, if you want to save just one of this voice only, you click on this button here. Let's say I want to save only for Susan. You click on this button and you download. If you want to save for William only, You come to Williams part also, click on the same button. Now, but if you want to save for the two of them, you come to export. You click on export. You see it here. Click on export. Now it is loading. You wait for it to load. Now you see it is downloading. Downloaded. Let's test it out. Open. You see it.
If you're a CEO, take note of this.
Yes, I am a CEO. Thanks for the information.
Now it has downloaded. It has been saved to our audio. Let's see. Now let's confirm that it has been saved to our audio. Come to your files, downloads. You see it. So I can play it with any of these to confirm. So it has been saved now. So that is that for converting text to speech. This is our first part. Now the next one we'll be going into is how to now use this text to speech and create your video animation. So first of all, I would like you to try this out first. Try creating your TTS text to speech and see if you are successful with that before you move to the next part of the tutorial.